Welcome to Joe's Tech Workshop. In today's video, we take a closer look at the 300-watt hobby and DIY hot air gun from AliExpress. Let's dive in. Despite its affordability, the hot air gun heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, making it efficient for tasks that demand consistent heat application. The build quality is surprisingly solid. The gun's compact size and lightweight design make it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's suitable for a wide range of tasks like shrink wrapping. Overall, the 300-watt DIY and hobby hot air gun is a fantastic tool for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its budget-friendly price and performance makes it a must-have addition to any toolbox.